With these desktop inkjet printers, particularly the Epson R2400 and the R1800, from time to time you may see one of these little red lights come on to indicate that possibly your ink is out. Now, when you're connected to a continuous ink system, what you usually do is press the second button down here, which is the eyedropper button, the inkjet button, and it brings the carriage to the ink change position. The light stays on, and then when we press that button again, which is second down from the top, that usually resets the chip quite nicely. The red light or red lights go out and you can continue to print. Now, if these red lights do not go out, it could indicate an error condition with the little chip on the side of the cartridge. Now, this is the cartridge that we're looking at, and this is the chip. So we're going to go through the procedure of changing the yellow cartridge. Now, if ever you find you've got one of these lights that won't go out, the first thing we do is take the cartridge out and clean the chip with a bit of dry kitchen towel. So we'll be doing that right now. Quite simply, all we do is we press the ink change button to move the carriage to the ink change position. We then take out the mains lead at the back of the printer. So we're just letting the printer settle down now to a rest position, which it's going to do shortly. That's it. We've now got the green light steady. So what we're now going to do is press the eyedropper button, which is second down from the top. That moves the carriage to the ink change position. We're now safe to take the mains lead out the back of the printer. Now, what that will do is it will prevent the carriage from moving up and down while we're messing around with the carriage itself. The easiest way to do this is to undo this clip, move the tubing to one side, we take out the little pressure plate, so we put that to one side, and in this case we're imagining that it's the yellow cartridge that's got a little red light on it, and it's quite stubborn, it won't go out. So initially what we're going to do is we're going to take out the yellow cartridge and we are going to clean the chip. This is the first stage, so we get a little bit of paper. Now, a little bit of paper here, and we rub over the contacts. A bit of dry kitchen towel is ideal. We put the cartridge back in again, making sure we put it in the right way, of course. We put it back in. Let's just pull these leads across so we've got plenty of room. We turn the printer on, making sure incidentally that we put the pressure pad back in. We turn the printer back on, we press the eyedropper button, and that should return the carriage back to the standard position, and that red light should go out.